Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to crop an image on iPhone. First thing, you want to go to your photos folder. You want to click on it. Let's pick an image that you want to crop. Let's take this one for example. Now you want to head to the top right corner where you see the option that it says edit. You want to click edit. Then you want to see that there is a first menu of settings which is right over here, but you want to focus on the one beneath. There is a second menu over here. The third option on which is crop. When you click a crop an image, you will have plenty of options. First of all, you can crop it from the corners, right? You can crop it like this from each and every corner. Then you can actually crop it from the middle of each of the sides, like here. See the middle, you touch the middle and you push to the middle of the image, right? For now example, we are going to cut the remaining black background. When you're done, you can simply hit done on the top right corner. This is how the image has been cropped. But there are also another option simply because you have this editing built-in feature in the Apple device. You want to click on edit again, and I'm going to show you. When you click again crop on the second menu, you will have from the left side, first of all, you have the option to flip to mirror the actual image. You can flip it. For example, if you took a picture of something that was in reverse through the mirror, through the screen, you can simply use this feature on the top left corner and simply flip it on the right direction. The one next to it, simply if you click the square, will rotate the image, right? It's very helpful. On the other side of the editing menu, you will find three additional options. The first one will simply be that you can actually convert the image into square, into different size, different dimensions. Over here 16 by 9, 5 by 4. You can essentially use the same exact settings even if you edit a video. This is not only for images. Okay, the next option on the menu is over here, which is a markup. With markup, you can simply use these different tools underneath, different sharpies. You have a highlight, you have a rubber, you have a ruler. You can measure, you can draw on the actual image. You can see, you can pick a different color. When you click over here, where is the color, you can select a different color and you can actually make a bunch of updates. So this particular highlighter is not so obvious, it's not so sharp. So if we pick a different type of highlighter, you will see that the pen works much better. Then the ruler will simply erase what we want to delete from this image. This is how you edit pictures and videos inside the iPhone with a built-in editor. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.